Today we're going to be talking about how to drink water to lose weight, the scientific benefits of drinking more water, and how much water you should be drinking. We will end the video with some final tips and tricks to help you get in more water naturally. Let's point out the obvious. Your body is made up of 65% H2O molecules are water. The human body on average can survive 3 weeks without food, but only 3 days without water. It's the most abundant nutrient in the body, making it pretty obvious that getting in the right amount can benefit your health. Here's exactly why drinking water helps us lose weight. Number 1, it increases resting caloric expenditure. In a study of overweight women, increasing one's daily water intake over a 12-month period helped them lose an average of 4.4 pounds. This was impressive because these women made no alterations to their lives other than increasing their water. In fact, people's resting energy expenditure has been shown to increase by 24 to 30% within 10 minutes of drinking water. So drinking water naturally increases resting calorie burn. Number 2, people naturally eat less when they drink water. In one study, 2 groups of dieters were separated. One group drinking water before meals and one group not drinking water before meals. The ones who drank water before they ate lost 44% more weight than the group that did not. Another study showed that drinking water before breakfast reduced the amount of calories consumed during the meal by 13%. Number 3, water replaces calorie-filled drinks. Since water is free of calories, it is generally linked to a reduced calorie intake. Studies have shown that people who drink mostly water in their day consume 200 less calories per day than those who do not. Number 4, water is muscle fuel. Your muscles are about 80% water, and not surprisingly, optimal hydration is key for lean muscle growth. Seeing as the more lean muscle you have on your body, the higher your resting metabolism will be, this is another way that water helps you lose weight. There are other health benefits of proper water intake. Mental alertness. One of the most common symptoms of dehydration is mental exhaustion. Proper hydration has been shown to improve brain performance. Improved digestion. High water intake ensures that the bowels move smoothly. Pain prevention. Cartilage, the rubbery material coating our bones, is 85% water. And staying properly hydrated makes sure our joints move smoothly. So getting in the right water is key for being healthy as well as losing weight. The best times to drink water for weight loss. Number 1, right when you wake up. A warm glass of lemon water in the morning helps to build a healthy habit and boost the metabolism. Number 2, 30 minutes before your meals. This will help you naturally eat less calories and consume the proper amount of food. Number 3, when you are getting hungry. Our brain often confuses being hungry for being thirsty. So next time those midday cravings hit, try a glass of water before eating a snack. You'll be surprised how often you're not really hungry and your brain is simply bored. How much to drink per day? You've probably heard the saying about drinking 8 cups of water a day. However, this number is completely random. It's a good place to start, but water requirements depend entirely on the individual. In most of the studies performed, people are drinking 1 to 2 liters or 4 to 8 8-ounce glasses of water. 8 glasses a day may be the perfect amount for some and too little for others. A quick check to see how hydrated you are is to look at your urine, as it should be mostly clear with a tinge of yellow and no real smell. A strong yellow color indicates that you're not hydrated enough and need to drink more. Also, be aware that drinking liquids like tea does count towards your daily total. Let's finish with a few strategies to get in more water. Number 1, buy a big BPA-free water bottle. This is an easier way to keep track, and I will link a good brand in the description. Number 2, rubber bands. Wrap a rubber band around your bottle every time you drink a cup of water to keep track. Number 3, add some fruit. Water can get boring for some people, and adding cucumber or other fruits helps to add some flavor to your water. Finally, if you're still forgetting, set a reminder on your smartphone. You can do this yourself or use an app to keep track of your daily intake. Got a topic you want the Health Nerd to cover? Just put it in the comments section below. Every comment and like we get on our videos helps our small channel grow.